Filippo. I'm with BSI, or Bus Service Incorporated. Our company was founded in 1979 by my grandfather, so a third generation family business. We've been involved in the shuttle and school bus markets for both sales and service of the equipment. In the 1990s, we transitioned into doing alternative fuels, along with still providing that service aspect and the new equipment, the new vehicles that we sell. We started out in CNG back in the 90s and actually had a fueling station here. So shortly thereafter, after the CNG station, we put in a propane fueling station. We've had one since, so I'd say we've had one now for, let's see, 2020, roughly 20 years or so going on. As you can see here, this is just one side of our facility. It's 3 full bays. Can handle up to a 50-foot vehicle. We do light modifications on this side of the building. Mostly interior and custom work on that side. Barriers for passenger protection during PPE right now with COVID. And we also do some sanitizing items and things like that to help with that PPE. So this is this side of the building with the 3 bays. As you can see, we have a 4-bay units here with a body shop in the 5th bay that is attached to this building with our doors on the far side. So that's full. This is full service. The upfits that we do primarily are on the propane side right now. We are moving into the electric side of the business now that that is becoming a very popular and viable source of alternative fuels. Electric, being that it's brand new, they're still setting up who will be doing installs and things of that nature. Now we're trying to get set up to do some of those install work here. A lot of it is for really the service aspect. There's not a lot of facilities right now that are up to speed on all of the things going on with electric. We're staying on the forefront of that. We absolutely want to be, we are involved, and I should say we want to be the main source of service parts and warranty, as well as vehicle sales for that type of equipment moving into the future. And we feel that we're already pretty well set up to do that with our past and our history in alternative fuels. So in this side of the facility, we also handle the Columbus Airport account, who's running an all propane fleet. We do the full service, full maintenance. We also do some of the light install work here for the new vehicles that they acquire. As well as provide any warranty service for outside companies that aren't just directly involved with the airport, that may be running propane around the area. In a few moments, we'll walk out back. I'll show you our propane filling station, and that is also available to the public. It's not just a private station, along with a Fleet Faster fuel card, so anybody can either use their fuel card or they can use their credit card to pay for the fuel. So peak times, the tank is filled twice per day. So at any given time, we go through, depending on the time of the year, around 500 to 1,000 gallons per day in propane. So here you can see one of our customers at Columbus Airport is filling their vehicle with propane as we speak.